Oh my gosh, it's a video! Oh! Greetings on this cold, cold day. You see I got the house coat on today. I am going to be putting together a new office chair. My son has been trying to commandeer mine, wanting to spin around and always sit down when I'm trying to do some work on the computer. So now we have 2 office chairs. We're gonna go ahead and put this together, do a quick review. Thanks for watching. All right, brand Rosmarus. It's an ergonomic chair. Comes in at 40 pounds inside the box. One thing I think is really funny, their slogan is long time sit, no tired. It's made in China. One of the hardest parts about putting anything together is unboxing it, because that's going to take the most time. You want to make sure that you don't damage anything while pulling it out. You want to check for damage to make sure that you have all the pieces you need before you put it together, so that if it's damaged you can easily send it back. Let's pull everything out and I'll show you what we got. All right, we got the user manual here. Once again, long time sit, no tired. Ergonomic chair. It's got the instructions here. So this is a basic chair assembly. It shows you how to put it together. We're going to do step by step. These are the parts that it comes with. So we got the base, we got the wheels, we got the arms, the back, as well as the seat, and the mechanism that makes it work. It does come with an Allen wrench, but if you do that, it's going to take you 2 to 3 times the amount of time to put it together. We use an impact, and the size for the one that you're going to need is 3/16 Allen wrench. The box itself was a little banged up. Looks like this one came a little bit discombobulated. It also comes out with an Allen wrench. We're going to see if we can reconnect it without having to turn it back in. But basically, what you have here is each one of these sides fits into a hole. The spring goes on this back edge here. So let's see if we can pop that together. If so, it'll be easy install. And don't get scared if you're looking for all the bolts. They are all pre-installed on the base cushion. So basically you just take them out, put on the pieces where they go, put them right back in. All right, so we found the best way to do this is pull off the top spring. There is a nut on the back. Undo the nut so this will come off, and then we can easily attach it where it goes. All right, we got it back up and ready to go. Now we can go ahead and reattach it to the back. All right, ready to go, fully functional. Pressure push them into each hole. Flip it over, stick it inside. You got this guy here. When this extends, this whole thing comes up with. All right, first we want to attach the main mechanism. Like I said, you pull out the bolts. And this is going to be the front. You're going to have your adjuster wheel towards the front. Line up your holes. What you want to do is you want to pre-thread them about 3 to 4 threads down to make sure that they're going in there straight so you don't strip them when using your impact. Okay, sink them down. So we're going to install our arms now. Once again, you want to pre-thread your screws a couple to make sure that you don't strip the threads. If you strip the threads, you're going to be really unhappy. Okay, and we're going to do this for both. We're going to pre-thread them a couple threads to make sure that we don't strip them. So now we're going to go ahead and put this on the base, and then we're going to attach the headrest. Alright, you see inside there's where we're going to attach the headrest. So we just slide the headrest in, put it where we want it, then we're going to attach this through the other side and tighten it till we like it. Last but not least, you can put on the designer mirror caps, like so. Pop them in, it's ready to go. All right, this is the completed project. Came together pretty nicely. Takes about 5 to 10 minutes to put it together. Takes longer to unbox it. All right, it glides nice and smooth. Almost makes you feel like you're a kid again. What do we think? Is it nice?
Yes.
Thumbs up or thumbs down?
Thumbs up.
All right, on the left-hand side, it's got the lever. You pull it up, and the back will go forward and back. You have the button here where you can go up or down, and remember the mechanism I told you about will make it go up or make it go down by using this lever here as well.